Craving a delicious and satisfying meal, but can't decide between Korean barbecue or hot pot? Good news! You don't have to choose. Bring your family, friends, or barkada and enjoy the best of both worlds here at GoGiGo Malate. Located at 512 Remedios Street, Malate, Manila, right in the heart of Koreatown, Manila. From premium meats and fresh seafood to flavorful soup bases and unlimited side dishes, every meal becomes a celebration when shared with the people you love. Every unforgettable hot pot starts with the perfect soup. At GoGiGo, you can choose from several rich and comforting broth options. Warm your appetite with the healthy Korean herbal bone broth, the earthy mushroom broth, the savory pork bone broth, the tangy and flavorful tom yum broth, or spice things up with the bold and fiery mala spicy broth. No matter your preference, there's a broth waiting to satisfy your cravings. Now let's head to what everyone comes for, the unlimited premium meats. Choose from tender beef bulgogi, juicy beef belly, flavorful pork enoki, plain pork, spicy pork, marinated pork, and tender chicken that's perfect for grilling or dipping into your hot pot. Every slice cooks quickly, stays juicy, and delivers rich Korean barbecue flavors in every bite. Seafood lovers won't be disappointed either. Enjoy unlimited shrimp, scallops, clams, and mussels that add freshness and variety to your hot pot experience. Every pot becomes even more flavorful as the seafood releases its natural sweetness into the broth. Complete your hot pot with an impressive selection of peas balls, squid balls, savory meatballs, tofu squares, leafy vegetables, root crops, and assorted mushrooms. Mix and match your favorites and create your perfect bowl every single round. No Korean feast is complete without delicious Banchan. Enjoy unlimited lettuce, Korean piece cake, buttered corn, potato marbles, kimchi, and refreshing pickled cucumber. These side dishes perfectly balance every grilled bite and make every wrap even more satisfying. Need something ready to eat? GoGiGo also serves cooked food, including 3 kinds of rice: plain, garlic, and kimchi rice. Pair them with steamed siomai or enjoy 4 irresistible fried chicken flavors: original, honey garlic, spicy, and soy garlic. There's always something delicious waiting for everyone. Finish your feast with refreshing fruits like sweet watermelon and crisp apples. Wash everything down with unlimited beverages, including red iced tea, black gulaman, and refreshing cucumber juice. The perfect ending to an unlimited dining experience. Unlimited Korean barbecue and hot pot together, all for only 699 pesos plus applicable VAT and service charge. Senior citizens and PWD guests can also enjoy a discounted rate of only 559 pesos and 60 centavos. More meat, more soup, more reasons to stay longer and enjoy every round. Let's also help reduce food waste. Take only what you can finish. Leftover food, whether cooked or uncooked, is charged at 300 pesos for every 100 grams. So enjoy responsibly while making every serving count. Reserve your table today by calling 0969-225-9335. GoGiGo Malate is open Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. until 8 a.m. and every Saturday and Sunday, 12 noon until 8 a.m. Perfect for lunch, dinner, and late night cravings, or even early morning food trips. If you're looking for one destination that offers unlimited Korean barbecue, flavorful hot pot, premium meats, fresh seafoods, delicious side dishes, and enjoyable dining experience, GoGiGo Malate is definitely worth a visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food journeys here in Koreatown, Manila. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you at the next table.